Think cabbage is boring? Think again. Cooked this way, they become addictively delish. Cabbage and chicken umami miso bowl. $90 of rice. Rinse the rice and drain. Add 120 g of water to the rinsed rice. Add half tablespoon of sake for tastier rice. Mix well, then cook the rice. $100 of onion. Cut into bite-sized pieces. $100 of cabbage. Cut into bite-sized pieces. $230 of chicken thigh. Cut into bite-sized pieces. Half clove of garlic. Grated. Store-bought tube of garlic paste is also fine. Half teaspoon of ginger paste tube, or you can grate it. 1.5 tablespoon of miso. 2 teaspoon of doubanjian. 2 teaspoon of sake. 2 teaspoon of mirin. 2 teaspoon of soy sauce. 1 teaspoon of sugar. A dash of ajinomoto. Mix well. Add the cut chicken. Mix well. Medium heat. 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Add the seasoned chicken. One to 2 takanotsume chili peppers. Cayenne pepper can be substituted. Add the cut cabbage. Add the cut onion. Cover and steam for about 5 minutes. Stir fry until more than half of the liquid has evaporated. Serve the stir-fry ingredient over rice in a bowl. 今日の料理は日本語でケイちゃん丼と呼ばれる料理でした。Enjoy!